Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show the recipe of custard powder, a homemade custard powder. It is very easy to do, so let us start. Firstly, I am taking the sugar of 3/4 cup and now I am making to the fine powder. When I am making the powder, it increases its level, so it will become to the 1 cup. See, now our sugar powder is ready. Now I am taking half cup of corn flour powder. As we all know that adding corn flour powder to the liquids will improve the thickness. Now I am taking milk powder half cup. This milk powder is made in the home itself. In the last video I had shown you how to prepare the milk powder. If anyone is missing the video, please watch to the previous video. Vanilla essence half teaspoon I am taking. Now I am going to add the food color of just 1 pinch. And now these all ingredients should be mixed well properly. So for this I am going to use the mixer for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Yeah, now our custard powder is ready, so I am taking to the serving bowl now. It is very easy recipe, so instead of purchasing from the outside, let us try in the home itself from now onwards. I hope that you will do this recipe in the home, and after doing, just mention me in the comment section how you felt the recipe. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and ring the bell icon for my update videos. Thank you.